tumbled leather. What's going on, y'all? I'm back again, another sneaker review video for y'all. Today we got the Jordan 3 white cement lost and found, or the reimagined, or whatever they call these joints, but we got the white cements on deck. These are super clean. I like them a lot. When I first saw this shoe, I knew that I wanted to get a pair and do a video of these. I feel like this is one of those shoes that just looks good. A lot of OGs wear 3s. I know my uncle, he has a bunch of 3s, and then they start to age. And then it's just something about the OG swag that even with an aged shoe, it just looks good. So I figured, I'm getting to that point where I'm kind of an OG in the game. So let me get a lost and found, because I don't have any old 3s, with the aged sole and all of that to really compare it to. So I said, let me get these joints. So anyway, long story short, I know that they did the Chicago reimagined or lost and found. I didn't want to get those. It seems like everybody has at least 4 videos of those, and I just didn't want to be a part of that craze. Before I get started breaking down the shoe, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Make sure you really thumbs up the video, share the video with your family and friends. All that stuff that everybody else says in their videos, please do that here. It really helps the channel grow, and I have seen the growth. We're going to be doing a giveaway here soon at some point in the future. There's some shoes that I definitely want to give away to you guys, just to show my love and support back to you guys. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram for all the latest and greatest updates. Check out the Reels page. The Reels page is popping. If there might be some shoes up there that you guys haven't seen me review and you might be interested in, so go ahead and check that out. The Reels page is up, and it's got a lot of shoes on it. Last but not least, go ahead and follow us in that Discord. The Discord link is in the description of the video. Again, the Discord link is in the description of the video. So go ahead and follow us there. We got a really good community. We try to help everybody find shoes and things like that. So if you guys need help finding kicks, want to know where I got my kicks from, you can go into Discord. That's the best place to reach me there, all right? So Jordan 3 reimagined joints, definitely cool. I think that this shoe has so much potential to be looked at as one of the shoes that really kicks us off for this year for creativity. Now, with this shoe, there's a lot of different aged hits to it, and we'll get to that as we go through it. But at least for the on foot, I know you guys saw, I took the laces out and put some more deeper sail laces in. They came with white laces, but if the shoe is supposed to be lost and found and it's old and it's supposed to have this aged look to it, I felt like the laces would be one of those things that would age. So that's why I switched out the laces. But here, I got the stock laces in them. So without further ado, let's just get into this joint, because I want to do the on foot and I want to show you guys how these joints really look. So without further ado, let's just jump right into the review. Now, this is a UA shoe, so there's going to be some differences. This is not a retail. So Jordan 3 white cement, as you can see, it really is a white cement. It's just aged. And it's aged in such a way that it really looks incredible. This is just one of those shoes that can age with time and look really, really good. So you got your tumbled leather on the upper. You got some flat leather right here around that mudguard panel. We do have our same elephant print here. Looks like we got some errors here going on with this, but it does look okay. I know that this might not look the same as retail though, all right? So we got that. And then we have our aged midsole right here. Got our black strip here. We have our aged tag in the back. I'm surprised they didn't make the Nike hang tag aged. Maybe they could have made it look a little bit more dull, but whatever. You got some aged eyelets there, and then you got your outsole, which is also aged. All right, so taking a closer detailed look, there's our toe box right there. Now the newer style 3s have a more slanted or curved toe box. This looks a little bit boxy. It looks like they tried to make it the right way, but you know, as we know with the UAs, they don't really get the toe boxes right, and they definitely don't get the elephant print right. This right here shows that they're trying. This is an attempt, so they're getting better at it. It's just not perfect, okay? So I'm not really dissatisfied with this. It looks okay. It's just, you know, they trying to make those attempts to make everybody happy. So there's that. The tumbled leather on the toe box is really, really high quality stuff. You guys can see I'm barely pressing that, and you can see all that tumbled flavor right there, which is my moniker, the tumbled leather. So I do like that. This grade of leather right here, in terms of this patch, usually is synthetic. Now this right here is a really, really nice patch of leather. This is not synthetic. You can see how it is moving with this. So this is more of a leather that you would see on a Jordan 1 right here. This flatter style leather. I really, really like that texture. This little piece right here of elephant print looks a little chunky to me. It looks like they didn't really fold that in when they went to stitch it. So I don't like how that bulges out right there. So there's a little flaw right there for you guys. The aged midsole looks really good. I do like that. You do get some brush strokes here. If you guys can see that, you got some brush strokes from the paintbrush, but it's okay. Going right here to the elephant print in the back, I do like that. Now, I don't know where they get their sheets of elephant print, because all these materials come out on a sheet and then they cut it to, you know, the specific sizes and then they sew it on the shoe. So I don't know why there's so many inconsistent pieces of elephant print, but this looks okay. I've seen way, way worse. I'm not dissatisfied with this though. Got our black strip right there. There's our air unit in there. It looks pretty good. We still have our red eyelets up here. And then now we have some aged eyelets here. Now in my on foot, you guys are gonna see that I put aged laces in these joints because I wanted it to match the eyelets and the midsole. But right here, our laces are pure white. And I really felt like they probably should have put aged laces in here, but it's Jordan Brand. They do what they want to do, so it is what it is, right? On the tongue right here, we have our Jumpman, and he looks okay. A little thick though, but he definitely looks all right. On the heel of the shoe, this is where the highlight is. You guys can see that aged Nike tag. I think that that's incredible. And that's, like I said, again, why I put the aged laces in the shoe. I really wanted to put aged laces in there because I wanted it to match this. I wanted the shoe to look older. We got a standard shoe tree in these joints. Not bad at all. Looks pretty good. Insole of the shoe is just a standard foam insole. I was actually surprised to see that this wasn't a Dream Cell. It kind of looks like a polyurethane insole, but it's really just a foam piece. Because if you see this is just foam. I'm not sure if you guys can see it clearly, but this is just foam. Nothing special. It's kind of squishy, nice and soft, but it's definitely not polyurethane, and it's not a Dream Cell. Maybe this could be like a white Dream Cell piece and not a black one, but here it is. This is what it looks like. So overall, the shoe looks great. It looks amazing. I don't really have too many issues with this. I think it looks great. If I had to rate it on a scale of 1 to 10 for construction and materials, I'll give it an 8. I think that the leather is great, but the elephant print has always been a problem, so I gotta take points off of that. But other than that, everything else seems to check out. It looks nice. Even the other shoe has a nice little slant to it. It probably could have been closer, but it is what it is, right? In terms of the colorway, it's the white cement, so you can't go wrong with the white cements. So I gotta go with a 10 out of 10 for the colorway. I really like the colorway, all right? So that's all I got for this one, y'all. I hope this helps you make a decision when these joints come out. I hope everybody is able to get a pair, because it seems like everybody got the Chicagos when they came out. So that's all I got for this one. Until the next time, you guys stay humble. You guys stay blessed. Peace.